Hi everybody, Ryan here again today. So had kind of a surprise call. I guess it had been Thursday, today's Saturday. So had a surprise call there Thursday afternoon, and it was Jasper, the local branch up here, distributorship, and called me and said they had my engine already and wanted to deliver it on Friday, yesterday. So we weren't expecting it when I ordered it. They were talking like it wasn't going to ship till September 10th. So, in this day and age, the world we live in right now, I mean, it was especially something that's with parts and something going through production where they're looking for cores. And, I know I called a lot of other places to get the best price possible and the best availability. And the reason I went with Jasper, I mean, they gave me a discount, like a business discount and all that, because I'm trying to get in as an installer with them also for our business. So they actually were the best priced, and even at a September 10th ship date, they were still, some places I called were 2 months out basically because they didn't have the cores and didn't know, and all this other stuff. And there was one place was a little bit cheaper, but I don't think didn't have as much on the engine, because this one actually came with the oil pan and everything. So it actually came a week earlier than we expected it even to ship. So I was kind of surprised, and I'm pretty impressed all around. I mean, they have their own delivery service, and their own trucks, basically distribution. So they have a shop up here in Twinsburg, Ohio, which is not too far from us, to where they shipped it up, and then they have a guy come out with a box truck and a lift gate and all that, and pretty nice people to deal with all around. So everybody I talked to, I mean, at the company, I mean, customer service and all that has just been on point, excellent, really nice people to deal with. So we got the engine here, and these are a lot bigger. They said this is a 6.8 liter V10 Triton engine. A lot bigger than what it looks in the van here, the truck. So they're a good size engine. I don't have a lot of experience with these. I mean, I'm kind of more from the era where I had the Ford, the 385 series big blocks. Your 460s, your 429s, 370s, all that good stuff. 400s, 400 modifieds. So that's kind of the area I can't say era that I grew up in. Working on old 80s models, Fords and all that's what I grew up with, so I know those really well. But yeah, this is I didn't realize it was it's a big engine. So went through the van in here, and we actually took the inside covers off, but I put them back on because I didn't want anything getting up in the cabin there. And I think it's gonna be pretty easy to pull this thing out, and I bought all the manuals and everything for it. So I got a little bit of time next week, and we got stuff coming on the next week, so I'm hoping to dive into this. Something else I was really impressed with is they offered a installation kit here, basically, and I paid $288 for all this stuff, and it came with all of the radiator hoses, and it's all spec'd off of my VIN number. So it came with that Continental fan belt, or serpentine belt. Where's this thing made at? I was like made in Mexico. Spark plugs, and also clamps, thermostat, and the boots for the coil packs and spark plugs came with all 10 of those. And the most important thing, came with a new cool cup. So I mean, that's a big value right there. Gotta have that. Another radiator hose. And what I got here, I think this is a radiator cap in here. And that way these are those coil boots, so there's 10 of those total. Fuel filter. Oil filter. This is the water pump, which it's Ford Motorcraft water pump, so OEM water pump. And I have no idea what this is. Oh, air filter. So I don't think, even with my discount at Napa, I don't think I could have bought all that stuff for that price. So there's a lot of value in that kit. So I'm pretty impressed all around, like I said, with the service and the fact that they got it here a week early, and what I got for this money here. So that's kind of where this is at with the engine and all that. And also the cool thing with the core, you put the core right back in this box here, and then you call them when you're ready. You got 40, I think you got 30 or 45 days, and they actually come back and pick it up, you know, and they don't even charge you your core unless you keep it over the 30 or 45 days. I can't remember exactly what the timeline is on that. So that's pretty cool too. I don't even have to mess with that or mess with LTL. I just give them a call and they schedule it and come pick it up. So that's pretty nice. So other than that, which I guess is the most important thing, see this ginormous red toolbox in here. We went and I got this from Harbor Freight. It's 72-inch by 22-inch toolbox, and we're actually I'm gonna take the wheels off of it and mount it in the back here. So I got some brackets that we're gonna bolt. We're gonna put a piece of angle on the bottom, obviously, to keep it sliding, and then put these on the sides and attach it to the back wall just to keep it from tipping over, which I doubt it would, being using a piece of angle at the floor. So that's gonna be the main tool storage in here. I'm gonna put some shelving up in here for you know, different parts, you know, brake chambers, you know, pretty much anything you can think of up in here, just stuff to have on, you know, out on the road. Probably do some more shelving over on the sides. Then most likely put my air compressor on this side and the welder on that side. And then we got kind of some little holes here and there to kind of store stuff. Also, for some reason or another, I mean, this side of the truck has brand new Michelins for the most part. I mean, they got as good as tread as brand new. But on the other side, it's got some old dry rotted Firestones and some other stuff. So I went through Discount Tire Direct. Got some matching, I like Michelins. Michelins or Bridgestones is about the only thing I buy for our vehicles here, or for anything. So got these Michelins off of Discount Tire Direct. I only needed 3, really, because I just wanted to replace the duals. And in the front one, it has a Unaroyal up on the front that's actually a halfway decent tire, so I was going to keep that as a spare. But they had a promotion where if you bought 4, you got like $200 back. So I basically got a 4th tire for free, even though I didn't need it. But you know, if you're gonna get it for free, you might as well just get it. You know, now I got another spare on top of that. So I also got some LED lights. I'm gonna mount up over top here, and you know, get it all set up. So hopefully I have this thing on the road a lot quicker than we thought originally. Like I said, with this engine coming in, and then you know, get that other F350 cleaned out and everything put in here, and get that guy up for sale and get it moved out of here. Because I think this is going to be a better all-around setup. I mean, my tools are where they've gotten rained on and stuff. They're all rusty. I mean, I got Snap-on and Mac and Matco, you know, a lot of expensive tools, and it's painful to see stuff like that. You know, when you paid for a little 3/8 socket set, Impact, you know, mid-well depth socket set, and when you paid like $250 for that set, and it's got rust all over it. So I think this would be a lot better setup, and better for us and better for people we're servicing out there too. A lot more organized, be able to do things quicker and less service time and all that. So that's where we're at on this project, guys. Like I said, I was just really impressed with the so far. And I think my wife said on the comments somebody had a bad experience with Jasper or something. Like I said, I don't know. Once we get it in, maybe it won't run. I don't know. But I mean, as far as the customer service, and I think the value has been. I'm pretty impressed with the service and all that. So we'll see how the engine goes in. If we have any trouble at that point, then we'll make adjustments in our review at this point. So, but that's pretty much all I got for today, guys. Still chugging along with the truck here, the T660 job. We'll have that. I think I have that done, and we got a lot more videos and stuff coming out on a lot of different things we've been doing on that. So hopefully get that guy up for sale here very soon. So other than that, we appreciate all the views, support, and all that. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, you know, subscribe, hit that bell for the updates, give us a thumbs up, like the video. That's the best way you can help us out. I mean, or say thanks or whatever, because that helps us get our videos out there to other people. So like I said, we appreciate all the support. I always put it out the farming stuff. You know, we switched it from this, we separated everything. So if you're interested in any of that, tractors, animals, old equipment, all that type of stuff, we always put the link for the other channel, so you can check that stuff out as well. So again, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support, and we'll see you next time.